Watch out! It's him again.
Why don't you just go away? Go away, you freak!
Freak, freak!
Freak! Why don't you die?
He's a monster. Don't even look at him.
I told you to stay away from him. Go away! It's all a distant memory now. Why do I exist? I used to ask myself. And then I found out.
But I knew that something else had been taken from me. Something even more important. And that is when I truly despaired. My purpose? In all the world, there was no one who needed me. I was unnecessary.
No! Stay away!
Almost unbearable, isn't it? The feeling of being all alone. I know that feeling. I've been there, in that dark and lonely place. But now there are others. Other people who mean a lot to me. I care more about them than I do myself. And I won't let anyone hurt them. That's why I won't ever give up. I will stop you, even if I have to kill you.
But why? Why would you do this for anyone but yourself?
Because they saved me from myself. They rescued me from my loneliness. They were the first to accept me for who I am. They're my friends. Well, love is the heart's desire to serve someone who is precious to you, to watch over them, like my sister did. For you, Gaara.
Is that the thing that makes him so strong?
Naruto, that's enough. Look, Sakura's gonna be all right. The sand crumbled away, she's free. This guy's chakra is all used up.
That's a relief.